We will tell you the 15 most important rules of money you must follow to become rich. The 15th rule is the most important one, so you must watch this video till the end if you want to know all the rules of money you should follow to get rich. Now let's start. Rule number 1. Create a budget as soon as possible. Having a budget is essential for effective financial management. Having a price range allows you to fine-tune your earnings and expenses, helping you prioritize your spending based on your financial goals. Begin by compiling a comprehensive list of your updated earnings. Next, carefully analyze your expenses and categorize them into essential and non-essential expenditures. It's important to regularly review and adjust your budget to stay on track. Rule number 2. Budget wisely and spend responsibly. Living within your means is crucial when it comes to cash control regulations. Be mindful of your spending habits and avoid unnecessary expenses by living within your means. Make sure to prioritize your needs over wants and resist the urge to make impulsive purchases. By saving and investing wisely, you can build wealth over time. Rule number 3. It is crucial to prioritize paying off any high-interest debt. Having high-interest debt, such as credit card debt and payday loans, can seriously hinder your financial progress. It is important to prioritize the repayment of high-interest debt as soon as possible. Explore strategies such as the debt snowball or debt avalanche to methodically pay off your debts, while also avoiding the accumulation of new debt in the future. Press the subscribe button and also the like button to know more amazing financial tips and tricks to get rich. Rule number 4. Establishing an emergency fund is crucial. Having a flexible emergency fund is crucial for maintaining financial stability. It is important to have a sufficient amount of money saved up in a readily accessible savings account to cover 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Having an emergency fund allows you to handle unexpected expenses, such as medical bills or car repairs, without having to rely on credit cards or loans. Rule number 5. Prioritize saving and investing for the future. Understanding the significance of saving and investing is crucial for achieving long-term financial satisfaction. It is important to allocate a portion of the money you make towards savings and investments. Take into account various investment options such as retirement accounts, individual stocks, and real estate, based on your financial objectives and comfort with risk. It is highly recommended to begin investing at the earliest opportunity in order to maximize the benefits of compounding. Rule number 6. It is important to spread out your investments. It is crucial to diversify your investments in order to effectively manage your finances. Implementing diversification strategies can help mitigate risks and reduce the impact of potential losses from any single investment. It's important to spread out your investments and not rely on just one option. Consider diversifying across various asset classes, industries, and different geographical zones so that you have a broad opportunity to earn profits from investing, and that too without any worries. Rule number 7. Stay committed to expanding your knowledge of personal finance. Understanding how to effectively manage money is essential for financial success. It is important to keep expanding your knowledge in the field of personal finance, covering topics such as budgeting, investing, and taxes. Stay informed about the latest financial news and trends, and make sure to seek recommendations from reliable sources, such as economic advisors or reputable websites. Rule number 8. Steer clear of lifestyle inflation. When your income grows, it's important to avoid the urge to increase your spending. Steer clear of unnecessary costs and lifestyle inflation that could rapidly deplete your savings and investments. Instead, make sure to live within your means and prioritize saving, investing, or paying off debt. Rule number 9. Remember to keep a close eye on your expenses. Managing your expenses is crucial for maintaining control over your finances. It's important to keep a record of all your expenses so you can better understand where your money is going and identify areas where you can reduce your spending. There are plenty of budgeting apps and tools available that can assist you in effortlessly and efficiently tracking your expenses. Rule number 10. Establish clear objectives for your finances. Having clear financial goals provides a roadmap to follow and keeps you motivated. Set goals for the short term, medium term, and long term economic aspirations. Whatever your objective may be, whether it's saving for a down payment on a house, paying off student loans, or retiring early, I can help you navigate the financial landscape. Ensure that your goals are clear, quantifiable, attainable, pertinent, and time-sensitive, and consistently assess your progress in reaching them. Rule number 11. Make retirement savings a top priority. Retirement savings should be a top financial priority. Consider utilizing retirement accounts such as 401(k), S, and IRAs, which can be provided by your employer or accessed individually. Make sure to consistently contribute to your retirement savings in order to maximize your contributions and benefit from tax advantages and compound interest in the long run. Don't miss the opportunity to earn an extra profit, and this is the one that is a free profit. Rule number 12. Stay mindful of taxes. Understanding the impact of taxes on your budget is crucial. It's important to stay informed about tax laws and make use of tax-saving techniques. These can include contributing to retirement accounts, claiming eligible reductions and credits, and understanding the tax consequences of different investments. If you need to optimize your tax scenario and minimize your tax liability, it would be wise to seek advice from a tax expert. You may also read several books on personal finance to know about effective tax management. You may also watch our videos daily to gather financial knowledge. Rule number 13. Exercise caution when making purchases. Impulsive spending can easily throw off your financial objectives. Take control of your spending habits by avoiding impulsive purchases and taking the time to evaluate whether a purchase is necessary or simply a desire. Make wise spending decisions that align with your economic goals and steer clear of emotional spending such as retail therapy or impulse buying. You may, before purchasing an item on impulse, think or wait for about 24 hours. If, after 24 hours, you feel the need of the product, then just buy it or let it go if not. Rule number 14. Prioritize investing in your education and skills. Investing in your educational background and skills is an incredibly wise decision. Strive to constantly expand your knowledge, skills, and expertise to boost your earning potential and open up new avenues for career growth. It may be beneficial to explore additional certifications, participate in workshops or seminars, or acquire new skills through online courses or vocational training. Education is the best investment you could make, and this will never give you loss in the long haul. Rule number 15. Surround yourself with individuals who share similar values and goals. The people you surround yourself with can have a significant impact on your financial behaviors. Surround yourself with individuals who share your commitment to financial responsibilities and have similar objectives for their finances. Participate in conversations about personal finance, exchange advice and tactics, and support one another in reaching financial goals. Steer clear of succumbing to the influence of others to spend excessively or engage in detrimental financial habits. The people who waste their money too much can make you like them. We have a very common saying in personal finance that you become the guy you spend time with. You should leave your friends who always waste their money, or you may deplete your financial career. This might sound shocking. The choice is yours whether you want to destroy yourself or want to become rich in the future. I am not telling you to leave the friends who have a large source of income and have good financial practices. Rather, I am telling you to leave them who don't have any source of income and are just splurging money. It's very essential for a guy to have several passive income sources in this period of high inflation. If you don't have any extra sources of earning money, then you must subscribe to our channel and watch the video appearing on the right side.